Have you ever asked yourself, what is the mind? When we pose questions such as, does the mind have form, location, or color? Or is it mine? What makes it mine? We delve into the realm of interest and curiosity. This leads us to the direct perception of the stream of clarity and awareness that is always present. On a certain level, it can be as straightforward as a shamatha practice, such as being aware of the space of the mind and whatever arises within it.
It can be a vipassana practice in the sense that we are doing the inquiry.
Even if you can't clearly focus on the observer, but merely dwell in the space of the mind, this inquiry can lead to deeper practice, with the recognition of this stream of awareness becoming a recognition of the nature of our mind, our Buddha nature. This may not be easy due to layers of self-grasping, attachment to thoughts and perceptions. It may require much practice before receiving pointing out instruction from a Dzogchen or Mahamudra master who can guide us towards the experience of Rigpa or primordial consciousness. We then need to rest on that recognition, realizing non-duality and emptiness, and continue on that path until we achieve enlightenment. You may initially engage in open awareness. However, over time, the same practice evolves, integrating more wisdom and understanding as you absorb more teachings and maintain a consistent practice. If we shift the focus from external objects to looking inwards towards the mind, the perceiver, the observer, this inward journey can lead us to the understanding of reality, can manifest greater wisdom, compassion, and pure perceptions. However, avoid confusing shamatha and mindfulness practices with Dzogchen and Mahamudra practices. While they might appear similar, the presence of grasping signifies a difference. If we feel like we are observing our mind or thoughts from an outside perspective, or there's someone listening to external sounds, this experience of duality suggests there is grasping. Gradually, by practicing short times, many times, we begin to release ego grasping and dualistic perspectives like I'm here and you're there. Reflecting and integrating this knowledge into daily practice is crucial. Remaining only with intellectual study won't allow the teachings to truly resonate. It's about bringing this knowledge into direct experience. Avoid overanalyzing. Instead, find inspiration in some words or verses. Rest with that knowledge without overthinking it. The more you practice and participate in retreats, the more it reinforces your practice. When we do retreat, it's beneficial to do at least a 3-hour commitment each day. An interesting distinction can be made between thought and thinking. Thoughts and memories are constantly arising and passing like waves in the sea. If we let this go, we remain present, noticing the flow of thoughts. We are not grasping to this. However, thinking is problematic as it involves conceptual elaboration, chasing after thoughts, causing us to lose touch with the present moment. This daydreaming or overanalyzing diverts us from our present experience. The aim is to release this habitual pattern. Stay present, not rejecting or chasing thoughts. Whether there are many or few, it's irrelevant. The goal is to learn to rest in the present. But this isn't merely a modern mindfulness practice where you just sit. It has deeper layers of understanding, which is why we engage in the questioning of the mind. We observe the mind and phenomena, understand their interdependence and their emptiness of inherent existence. These meditations will aid your practice, especially when integrated with other teachings, retreats, and books. Even without active reflection, sitting in silent meditation allows these insights to naturally surface. You'll have aha moments where teachings resonate with direct experience. Brief moments of observing the observer is a significant step, as acknowledging that we are not typically trained to maintain this heightened self-awareness. We can also alternate between intense micro-meditations and resting periods, which can be effective in cultivating a continuity in our practice. Throughout your day, ask yourself questions like, where is the mind, or who am I, without seeking concrete answers. These inquiries direct your focus inward, encouraging experiential learning rather than analytical. It's completely normal to forget about maintaining mindfulness. especially after longer meditation sessions. Integrating micro meditations between activities is an excellent habit. It provides pauses throughout your day where you can refocus and realign yourself. In the context of Buddhist meditation, understanding the mind as a continuous stream of experience is vital. According to Buddhist tradition, the mind has no definitive beginning or end, yet it remains in a constant flux, changing, evolving, and transforming. This continuous flow carries our karmic imprints and impressions, influencing our interactions and experiences. Reflecting on the mind's fluid nature allows us to see how we change and evolve over time. For example, the person you were as a child and who you are now are different, yet a sense of awareness or presence continuously exists. This understanding leads to the concept that the mind is an energy that cannot be created or destroyed, but eternally transforms. Understanding the mind has a freeing effect, reducing our tendency to attach to specific identities or experiences. This understanding, integrated in our meditation practice, can provide a deep sense of peace and freedom. It's crucial to remember that the mind is also emptiness, devoid of inherent existence or substance. Yet, it follows a continuity of cause and effect, with one moment of awareness leading to the next. Though the mind lacks tangible characteristics like shape or color, it can be understood through direct experience. In the Lam Rim, or stages of the path to enlightenment, this meditation is referred to as understanding the nature of the mind. It emphasizes the mind's nature is emptiness and clarity. This understanding lays the foundation for further meditations. So keep practicing and strive to integrate these mindful pauses throughout your day. Observing the mind and being aware of being aware during short moments can lead to profound insights and transformation.